Itumeleng.
Yes,
How
sir.
are you?
I'm okay, and you?
Very well, thanks. How was your day?
Fantastic so far.
So far.
Yeah.
I hope you're not looking for it to be bad. Eh?
Yeah, let's hope so.
All right, Itumeleng, can you give us who is Itumeleng Sebotoma? What does she do?
Okay, Itumeleng is from Pretoria.
Yeah.
And what I do, we've just started a small company, it's an IT company. So yeah, the project is still going on. But we're doing it home-based, it's at home, and it's amongst our community.
What? Tell us,
Microsoft
Give us specific. Hardware, software, programming, what?
Programming, everything, we cover everything.
Okay.
We've got technicians who do that.
What software do you sell?
We don't sell any softwares.
But you just
What
told
do
me
you
you
sell
sell
in-
everything.
No, we do services.
All
Okay.
hardware services.
Yes.
Hardware servicing.
Yeah,
So you
hard-
service
hard-
the computer.
Yeah, we service the computer, yeah.
Tell us what's your role in the business?
I do marketing.
Sell to us. Do a sales pitch for us. You got 30 seconds.
Okay, sir. This is the packaging that we have for you. Okay? What we will do, we'll have a contract with you. We give you a 1-year contract, and then after that, we give you a 1-year contract. Then after that, we do the what do they call it?
How long has this company been running?
The guys that I'm working with, they've started it, it's like, I think it's 7 years, but I only came aboard about 3 weeks.
Is it? So
Yeah.
you're still new to the business.
Yes. So
What were you doing before that?
I was doing entrepreneur development at the RAA in UJ.
Okay.
How long have you been on the course?
6 months.
Okay. Do you think? What do you want to achieve out of the show? If we put you on.
Since at school we were doing things theoretically, you know, we never got the chance to do things practically. So I feel that this show will provide me with that need.
Itumeleng, I think you need to work on that sales pitch.
Yes.
Not impressive, but
Yes.
I think because you're here to learn and we're all about enterprise development and developing entrepreneurs, I think I'm going to give you a chance. You got my word.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
As you said now, you're into marketing.
Yes.
You've got to be able to convince people that they need what you want. But that can be taught, I'm sure. I'll give you a yes as well.
Okay.
From my side, it's a yes. You just need to learn confidence and know who you are.
Okay, yeah.
So that's I want to give you the opportunity, Martin.
Much.
So Itumeleng, you got it. Like the gentleman said, you just need to. I'm quite sure in a few days to come, she'll come back.
A different.
Stronger.
Yeah, stronger.
Congratulations.
All right.
Itumeleng.
Thank
This
you.
is your certificate.
Okay.
You only get one chance at this, so
Okay.
make good use of it. Okay.
Thank you.
Good luck.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.